Welcome to Stock Genius. We're thrilled to have you here. If you're new to our channel, we specialize in delving into the world of stocks with a keen eye on the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Our mission: to provide you with the most insightful, up-to-date information to help you navigate this complex sector. Remember, we're not financial advisors, but we're here to equip you with knowledge and insights to make informed decisions. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and share our videos with your fellow investors. In today's video, we're exploring the AI stock landscape. From the giants leading the charge to the underdogs carving their own path, we'll be looking at the full spectrum of AI investment opportunities. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. Have you ever wondered which AI stocks are most favored by analysts? The AI landscape is a vast and complex space, brimming with opportunities and challenges alike. A prime example of this is NVIDIA Corp. The recent financial reports for this company have been nothing short of stunning, underscoring its dominant position in the AI sector. But like any high flyer, it's not without its share of concerns, particularly when it comes to the valuation of its stock. Let's take a step back and look at the broader AI landscape. It's not just about one or two major players. No, this is a sector that encompasses a broad array of companies, all contributing their own unique piece to the AI infrastructure build-out. It's a grand tapestry of innovation and progress, with each thread representing a different industry player. On one side, we have those providing the necessary hardware. These are the companies that ensure data centers can effectively implement NVIDIA's graphics processing units. And then there are the cloud services, a critical component of modern AI operations. These services provide the computing power and storage necessary for AI development and deployment. But it doesn't stop there. We also have software providers, companies that develop the programs and algorithms that drive AI systems. And let's not forget about power management. After all, these AI systems can't run without a steady and reliable source of power. So as we delve deeper into this discussion, remember that the AI sector is not a monolith. It's a diverse and complex ecosystem, with many players contributing to its growth. Each company, each stock, represents a unique piece of the AI puzzle. And as we move forward, it's these pieces that we'll be looking at closely to see where the real investment opportunities lie. As we delve deeper, let's keep in mind that the AI sector is diverse and complex, with many players contributing to its growth. When it comes to AI, a broad array of companies are involved in the infrastructure build-out. This includes those providing the hardware needed for the implementation of NVIDIA's graphics processing units by data centers, along with cloud services, other software, and power management. One way to invest in this diverse landscape is through exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. They hold assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities and aim to track the performance of specific indexes. In the context of AI, various ETFs aim to track stocks of companies expected to benefit from AI implementation. Consider the Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF. With assets totaling over $2.5 billion, it uses a market cap weighting approach, holding 42 different stocks. NVIDIA is its largest holding, making up almost 19% of its portfolio. Another example is the Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF. With over $1 billion in assets, it also uses a market cap approach, but with a maximum of 3% for any single holding. It includes 85 different stocks, with NVIDIA being its second largest holding, making up 3.3% of the portfolio. The largest position in this ETF is Meta Platforms Inc., making up 3.6%. The iShares Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Multi-Sector ETF takes a different approach. It uses an equal weighting method across its 111 stocks. This means that each stock, including NVIDIA, starts with the same weight, in this case, 1.3%. Each of these ETFs offers a different approach to investing in AI, providing investors with the opportunity to diversify their investment across multiple companies involved in AI. The weightings and holdings can vary significantly, with NVIDIA's position fluctuating based on the fund's strategy. However, ETFs are just one way to invest in the AI landscape. While they offer a diversified approach to investing in the sector, they may not provide the focused investments some are seeking. If you're interested in a more targeted approach, it's time to narrow our focus to individual companies. ETFs provide a diversified approach to investing in AI, but let's narrow our focus to individual companies. How do we sift through the hundreds of AI stocks to find the ones most favored by analysts? Well, one way to do this is by screening stocks by sector or industry. This is a common practice in the investment world, but when it comes to AI, it's a little more complex. That's because AI isn't an industry in and of itself, but rather a technology that's being adopted across a broad array of sectors. We're talking about everything from hardware manufacturers to cloud services providers, software developers, and even power management companies. Now, in order to narrow down this vast landscape of AI stocks, we've started with the holdings of 8 exchange-traded funds, or ETFs for short, that track stocks of companies expected to benefit from AI implementation. And if an ETF's portfolio is weighted by market capitalization, companies like NVIDIA are likely to be its largest holding. However, we've also looked at equal-weighted funds, which are rebalanced periodically. This means recent price appreciation will increase some holdings' weightings until the next rebalance, giving us a dynamic view of the market. Now here's the tricky part. After adding the holdings of these 8 ETFs and removing duplicates, we're left with a global group of 339 stocks. That's a lot to sift through, right? So to make this more manageable, we've further narrowed down the list to companies that have market capitalizations of at least $5 billion and are covered by at least 10 analysts. This leaves us with a more focused list of potential AI stocks to keep an eye on. Screening is a critical step in identifying promising AI stocks. Now let's examine the top-rated companies. Which AI stocks have the highest buy ratings and the highest 12-month upside potential? You ask, and we deliver. This is where the rubber meets the road, and we dive into the top-rated AI stocks that are exciting analysts and investors alike. As we all know, the AI sector is vast and diverse, encompassing companies from various industries, all contributing to the AI infrastructure build-out in their unique ways. However, some stocks consistently stand out with strong buy or equivalent ratings, and these are the gems we are going to explore today. The first company that has caught the eye of analysts is NVIDIA. With its recent earnings report setting it up for potentially a mammoth growth, NVIDIA's stock is riding high. Its sheer dominance in the AI sphere is hard to ignore, and it's a stock that's definitely worth considering. Next, we have Meta Inc., formerly known as Facebook. As a tech giant with a significant AI footprint, Meta is pushing the envelope with its focus on creating an immersive metaverse, which is expected to be a game-changer in the AI space. ARM Holdings, a global leader in semiconductor and software design, is another company that's garnered significant interest from analysts. With its chips powering a massive range of devices across the globe, ARM is well-positioned to capitalize on the AI revolution. Then we have PKSA Technology Inc., a Japanese company that specializes in AI and machine learning. PKSA is making waves in the AI sector with its innovative solutions, and it's a stock to watch out for. We must also mention companies like Intel, which are banking heavily on AI to drive their future growth. Intel's ambitious chip-making plans are heavily reliant on AI fulfilling its promise, and the company's stock could see significant upside if these plans come to fruition. Of course, these are just a few of the many AI stocks that are currently exciting analysts. There are numerous other companies out there with strong buy ratings and high 12-month upside potential. These include established tech giants, innovative startups, and companies from non-tech sectors that are leveraging AI to revolutionize their industries. As you consider these options, remember to do your own due diligence. While analyst ratings can provide valuable insights, they're just one piece of the puzzle. Be sure to consider other factors, like the company's financial health, competitive position, and growth prospects. These companies represent some of the most promising investment opportunities in the AI sector. As AI continues to reshape our world, these stocks could offer significant returns for investors who are willing to ride the wave of this technological revolution. What does the future hold for AI investment? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? As we stand on the brink of what some are calling the AI tipping point, there's no denying that the potential for growth is staggering. Companies like NVIDIA are leading the charge, with impressive earnings and market dominance that leaves little room for doubt about the role of AI in our future. But as with any investment, there are risks alongside the rewards. The tech sector has seen its share of booms and busts, and the AI landscape is no exception. Concerns about overvaluation echo the warnings of bubbles past, like the dot-com era. The key to navigating these turbulent waters is a clear understanding of the sector and careful analysis of individual stocks. So, what should potential investors keep in mind? First, remember that the AI sector is broad and diverse. It's not just about the big names like NVIDIA. A myriad of companies are contributing to the AI infrastructure build-out, providing everything from the hardware needed to support graphics processing units and data centers to cloud services, software, and power management. Second, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is crucial. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, can offer a way to invest in a range of companies expected to benefit from AI implementation. Each ETF has its own approach, tracking different stocks and balancing their holdings in various ways. And finally, do your homework. Screen stocks carefully, considering factors like market capitalization and analyst coverage. Look at the buy ratings and consensus price targets. But don't just follow the crowd. Make sure you understand the company, its products, and its place in the AI landscape. While the AI sector offers exciting investment opportunities, it is always essential to conduct thorough research and consider a diversified approach. The future of AI investment is bright, but as with any journey into uncharted territory, it pays to be prepared. Let's recap what we've covered today. We embarked on an exploration of the diverse landscape of artificial intelligence stocks, a realm where technology and investment intersect in fascinating ways. We began by acknowledging NVIDIA's impressive fiscal results, which served as a springboard for our broader examination of the AI sector. We delved into the role of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, in this landscape. These funds track stocks of companies expected to benefit from AI implementation. We discussed how these ETFs vary in their approach, some weighted by market capitalization, others equal-weighted or modified based on involvement in AI or related industries. NVIDIA, as a major player in the sector, often emerges as a significant holding in these funds. Our journey then took us to the process of screening AI stocks. We highlighted the need for a broad view, given that a wide array of companies are involved in different aspects of AI infrastructure build-out. This includes those providing hardware, cloud services, other software, and power management. We then turned our attention to the top-rated AI stocks. These are the companies that have garnered at least 80% buy or equivalent ratings among analysts and whose stocks have the highest 12-month upside potential, implied by their consensus price targets. Looking ahead, we pondered the future of AI investment, acknowledging both its potential rewards and inherent risks. We pointed out that as AI technology continues to evolve and permeate various sectors, it's likely that the landscape of AI stocks will continue to change and grow. Investing in AI stocks can be complex, but with careful analysis and a diversified approach, it can also be a rewarding venture. It's an exciting time to be involved in AI, and we're looking forward to seeing how this landscape evolves in the future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep investing wisely. Thank you for being with us on this journey through the AI stock landscape. We hope you found this information insightful and helpful in making your investment decisions. Remember, we are not financial advisors, but we strive to provide you with the best information to help you make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends and fellow investors. Your support enables us to continue creating more content like this. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep investing wisely. Thank you for watching Stock Genius.